Hi guys, we're coming live soon. This is Ani Kaprikar, your host for Sajda's inaugural show. And we are live now, and I can see people joining already on the stream. But as always, we give people some time to connect. So stay tuned. Nihira will be with you shortly. And in the meantime, here is what you can do. You can share this feed to your timeline or start a watch party. Sajda Season 2 online festival inaugural show with Nihira will be with you in just a few seconds. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys. Everyone, you can start sharing it to your timelines now. The show is live. It will take about few seconds for it to come live. Nihira, Rahul, you can share the page. We are live now. You can see about more than 15 people have already joined. I'm sharing the stream now. Guys, hello, we can see you. We are just giving a minute or two for people to join in, connect, settle. If you have any problem, just refresh your page, check your internet speed. We are here to give you the best experience this evening. Mhm. Hi, this is your host, Ani Kaprekar, for today's inaugural show. We are just giving people time to connect on Sajda's page. I can see more than 25 people have joined already. We'll start the show soon. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. In the meantime, you can share this live stream to your timeline, or why not start a watch party with your friends so more people can enjoy and more people can see today's show. And from wherever you are joined, UK, India, Dubai, I can see people joining from United States, Salt Lake City. Good to see you and stay tuned. We are starting our show soon. The people already calling out, welcome Nihira. People are eager to see Nihira, and Nihira will be with you shortly. Stay tuned. Hello, this is Ani, your host for this evening, welcoming you to Sajda's inaugural show. We are getting ready. We'll start soon. In the meantime, you can share this timeline, like, comment, keep sharing, start a watch party so more and more people can watch this show live. I can see on my Facebook feed, more than 40 people are connected now. Stay tuned. We'll get the evening going very soon. And we are getting you a fabulous artist this evening who's joining us from Germany. And we are getting ready. We'll start soon. Keep liking, commenting, keep sharing. Somebody just asked me, is Ani your screen frozen? It's not. I hope you can see me clearly. Uh, I can see lots of people are watching and we are good to go, guys. We'll start the show this evening. I'm just watching Facebook comments. People are, as soon as you go live these days, people start pouring in comments. We want your love. You want your support. Keep liking, keep commenting, keep sharing. So let me begin by welcoming you all to Sajda Festival inaugural show season 2. This is totally online. I'm Ani Kaprekar. This is our Sajda to art, to artists, and art loving audience like all of you. So, thanks for tuning in today from different places, different cities, different countries. Last year, as you know, Sajda was hosted in UK and India with many successful shows. Of course, Sajda has many friends spread across the world. So this year, the organizers of Sajda decided to go completely online. That's why we are coming to you via Facebook Live. Uh, we had we have done all possible testing for today's show. If you have any technical problems, do refresh your page. We are trying to give you the best possible experience. In today's world, such live shows go from different location. I'm sitting here in Manchester. Our artist Nihira will be joining us from Germany. And if you have any problem, just refresh your page. Try resetting, check your internet bandwidth. We are technically absolutely good to go. And I'm just going to check on FBs. Everybody's having the best of experience. I can see people are watching. There are more than 70 people now. So now, talking about the philosophy and principle about Sajda, let me bring the curator of Sajda Festival, Rahul Lard. Rahul, over to you.
Hi, Annie. Thank you very much. And thank you for firstly agreeing to be our host. For those who do not know, Annie is not just a friend, but he's an excellent corporate coach, and he's done films. So he's also a brilliant artist. More on Annie, you can chase Annie later. Thank you, Annie. And before we move ahead, I know you are all eager to listen to Neera and not me. And with the huge following she has, which everybody knows. And today you will have a more of Nihira with different flavors. Sajda is all about that. See, last year also when we had 5 events, Sajda in a nutshell, it's not just doing like a Me Too kind of, oh, we are also doing Bollywood, we are also doing some music. No, it was started, it was with a thought in absolute nutshell, if I can say, when the government of India and the government of UK thought that we should have a cultural year. So the roots were there. Then at Manchester, we have the Band on the Wall, where we had a North-South dialogue. So again, the roots were there. So we realized that in Manchester, primarily, we wanted this engagement between the Indian community and also those who are not Indians, but to get a flavor of good quality music so they don't need to go to London every time. That is how it all started. But then the engagement grew so wide that we felt that, yes, now what should we present? Then our thought was there is so many dying art forms and there are so many existing forms in which a tribute is not given to those who deserve. For example, we have in mind this year, but now we cannot do it live, instruments like Esraj, instruments like Sarangi. These are absolutely, people don't even know about these instruments. So we are going to take them. So last year we had harmonica, exclusive show with harmonica, which is hardly played. But in Bollywood, if you realize, Salil Das, Salil Chowdhury used Milan Sengupta in all his songs. Today you don't have harmonica at all. So these are some instruments. So Sajda came to pay tribute to these dying art forms. Sajda wants to pay tribute to all those artists in India and in the South Asia who want to keep audience engaged with entertainment on one hand, also educate on the other hand. The other dimension to Sajda is that whatever funds come into the pot, the volunteers of Sajda feel that we should also give back to the community in whatever little way. So ours is not a charity, but whatever little is possible from that pot, we also give it for different various charitable causes. This is the overall broad philosophy of Sajda. We announced last year we will come again, and then this year we said we will come in June, and we have come in June, and not maybe live, but we thought we'll come online. This year again, what we are going to do exactly, we have harmonica, flute, and the sitar. We have kept the broad theme as tribute to the golden memories. The broader theme is unsung heroes in all walks of life. So many heroes. Now in music, if you take, you will be surprised. You will be having Ustad Rais Khan, who played sitar in Madan Mohan's songs. So you have all that kind of artists who are unsung heroes in the musical world too. Unsung heroes in the healthcare, unsung heroes in different walks of life. So it's a broad tribute, but the theme to all the show this year is to the golden melodies. So before I go to Neera, let me humbly thank our chief guest today. Our guest of honor today is Dr. Aman Puri, who has come all the way online, not driving from Birmingham to Manchester, to kind of celebrate music with us. So welcome, Dr. Puri, on behalf of the Sajda team, and thank you very much for honoring with your presence. I would also like to thank, so that I don't come again between you and Neera, so I use this to thank everybody. Of course, Ani is the host. Then also I have today a guest who has joined us as a supporter for the festival. Sajda is a festival. I always say, what is Sajda? People ask me, I say, it's a movement, it's a festival. So we have a supporter, a young entrepreneur who after hearing our excitement last year said, I will join you this. So we have Arya Tabre, who is also a guest today with us. And we will have so many others who have joined us. So I thank everybody. I am on Zoom, so I can't see everybody who is on Facebook right now, but I know all fans and friends who are there. And I want to thank everybody, and I want to thank all who are supporting us. Thank you very much, Ani, and thank you everybody. More to Ani now. Thank you.
Hey Rahul, thank you very much. That was a brilliant introduction of Sajda. And as we say, Sajda plays tribute. And I can see more than 100 people are joined already. And as Rahul mentioned, it is my absolute pleasure and honor to get our chief guest today, who's Consul General of India, and he's joining us from Birmingham, Dr. Aman Puri. I think the short and the best introduction I can ever do for Dr. Puri is he's a true friend and champion of British Indian communities and causes. Dr. Puri, over to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ani. Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Adab, and a very good evening from Birmingham. Also, good afternoon to some of the audiences who are joining from different parts of the world. In these unprecedented times, I think it becomes all the more important for someone like Mr. Rahul Lord to celebrate Sajda in this way and bring all of us together. I would like to truly pay a tribute to him because he has been a true champion of the Indian arts in the UK, and we have had the honor of working with him on several occasions. Today, Sajda has been able to bring together audiences from different parts of the world, music lovers, and people in different parts of the world who are going through this unprecedented times and trying to reconnect with each other. Music nourishes our soul like nothing else. It enables us to celebrate life, and it lifts our spirits like nothing else can do. So I do wish and hope that with Sajda, we are able to reconnect with everyone, all our friends and family, all music lovers. And I would also like to congratulate each and every one of you who has joined, because it is this ability for us to, enjoy music together, which is the true philosophy of Sajda. With these words, I know we are all waiting for the celebrated singer Mihira Joshi Deshpande, and I won't take much of your time. And I wish all of you stay safe, and may Sajda lift our spirits. Thank you so much.
Dr. Puri, thank you so much. That was very motivating, connected to all of us instantly, but that's what always you do. And I must say that it's known now that very soon you will be moving from UK to Dubai. So a farewell to you from me, from Sajda team, and everyone watching. UK's loss is definitely going to be Dubai's gain, because that's where you will be now soon. Thank you so much for joining, and do enjoy Sajda Facebook Festival, which will be on now. Thank you so much for joining, sir.
Thank you so much.
Guys, as Rahul Lad earlier mentioned, Sajda is supported by a lot of people. Media houses like BBC Radio Manchester, BBC Radio Lancashire featured Sajda. Internet publications like Asian Light and Global Indian Stories featured Sajda recently. Business organizations like Academy of Science, Technology and Management in Manchester, a private college, or Sri Sri Tattva UK, which distributes Ayurvedic products of Sri Sri, and is a health and well-being company. They support Sajda. And now also some dynamic tech startups of the current generation or the next generation, they support Sajda. And today we have an award-winning founder and CEO of Future Bricks, Arya Tavre, who is joining us from London to wish Sajda. Arya, over to you.
Hello, thank you, Annie, for the introduction, and very, very happy and glad to be, supporting Sajda. I know Rahul ji is amazing, so passionate for music. I also very talented Nihira. Just heard her a few minutes back, and just amazing. I got a goosebump. So much looking forward for the show, and Future Bricks. As a founder, we're very, very happy to support Sajda, and many more events to come. And in these times, it's important that we come together as one community and enjoy common passions such as music. So much looking forward, Nihira. And again, thank you, Annie, and thank you, Rahul ji, for allowing us to be part of this. Thank you.
Brilliant, Arya. Thank you so much, and do enjoy the show. And guys, now what we have been waiting for, Nihira is joined us from Germany. Hey Nihira, good to see you. How are you? There are more than 100 people joined. Say hello to them.
Hello to everyone who is joined. Hi Ani, hi Rahul ji, hi Aman Puri ji, and hi Arya, and hello to everyone who is joined. I'm really happy to be a part of this.
There are 133 people waving back at you and sending you lots of love. And guys,
Wow.
Nihira is here. Keep your likes, comments, and share on. You know which Facebook buttons to press, and keep sharing this live feed so more and more people can enjoy. Now, Nihira, I know people are eager to listen to you. This is our inaugural show. You are our celebrated artist. So I have to do your introduction. So allow me everyone to introduce Nihira to you. And then I promise, then I'll move away. And then it's you and Nihira. So Nihira, as many of you know, is an accomplished vocalist and singer in Indian music. She started singing from the age of 9. Many of you already know that she was Saregamapa champion in top 5 in 2005. She's worked with celebrated Bollywood music directors like Shankar Ehsaan Loy. You probably heard her in Bunty Bubbly. She was also nominee of Radio Mirchi in 2017. And she's also well known for her independent music, but we'll talk about that little later. So at this time now, Nihira, my initial job is done. I do not wish to stay between you and your audience. Over to you. And what are you starting us with today?
Okay, first and foremost, thank you so much for the lovely introduction, Ani. And I feel sometimes, sometimes I feel a little, oh my God. When I listen to the introduction, I feel, oh, it's like a little, I don't know. But what are we starting with today is, it's one of my favorite songs, and it is a remarkable song in the Hindi film industry. And because this was the song that got Lataji to initiate a movement. Earlier, they used to credit the name of I think the character of the film.
Wow.
But this was the song where Lataji fought and got the name of the singer on the
So
credit.
this was the first ever song where a singer was credited.
Singer was credited, yes.
Wow.
This is the anecdote that I know about this song. Composed by Khemchand Prakash ji, and sung by Lata ji and shot on the wonderful Madhubala ji. The song is called Aayega Aane Wala. So I shall be starting the song with yes. खामोश है ज़माना, चुपचाप है सितारे। आराम दे दुनिया बेकस है दिल के मारे। ऐसे में कोई आहट इस तरह आ रही है, जैसे कि चल रहा हो मन में कोई हमारे। याद धड़क रहा है इस आस के सहारे। आएगा 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 आने वाला, आएगा आएगा आने वाला। Is everything आएगा 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 आने वाला, आएगा आएगा आएगा। दीपक बगैर कैसे परवाने जल रहे हैं, दीपक बगैर कैसे परवाने जल रहे हैं। कोई नहीं चलाता और तीर चल रहे हैं, कोई नहीं चलाता और तीर चल रहे हैं। तड़पेगा कोई कब तक बेआस बेसहारे, तड़पेगा कोई कब तक बेआस बेसहारे। सहारे, लेकिन ये कह रहे हैं दिल के मेरे इशारे, आएगा 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 आने वाला, आएगा आएगा आएगा। भटकी हुई जवानी मंजिल को ढूंढती है, भटकी हुई जवानी मंजिल को ढूंढती है, माजी बगैर नैया साहिल को ढूंढती है, माजी बगैर नैया साहिल को ढूंढती है, क्या जाने दिल की कश्ती कब तक लगे किनारे, क्या जाने दिल की कश्ती कब तक लगे किनारे, लेकिन ये कह रहे हैं दिल के मेरे इशारे, आएगा 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 आने वाला, आएगा 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 आएगा। Thank you so much. Since we are live on Facebook, but I cannot see who all is there. So once again, a hi to everyone. Hope you all enjoyed this song. This is a tribute to the golden melodies of Bollywood, the golden era that we all are very close to. We all go back to these songs as a therapy, I feel. I at least when you know, whenever I feel sad or I'm restless, I can guaranteedly just go back to an old melody and feel good about life again. So the next one that we are going to is a little different from this one. It's a song that we all love from Howrah Bridge. It's called Aiye Meherba, and I think it's becoming a Madhubala special. Yeah, Ani wants to say something.
Nihira, you are an artist, and I know you want to know what audience's response is.
Yes.
People are absolutely loving it. I'm watching the Facebook feed. There are more than 170 people. There are likes, hearts,
Wow.
and love coming your way. And
Thank you so much.
you don't. I'll keep getting the audience reactions to you. We are just loving your music. Carry on.
Thank you.
so
Thank you
much.
so much. Thank you. As you know, just as I said in the beginning, I am just an artist who wants to play my tribute to these golden melodies and this golden era. And this is my honor to be a part of such a theme. So let's move on to the next song, Aiye Meherba, composed by O.P. Nayyar ji, sung by the wonderful Asha ji in her own mischievous and a naughty way. आइए मेहरबा बैठिए जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान, आइए मेहरबान, बैठिए जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान, आइए मेहरबान। कैसे हो तुम नौजवान, कितने हंसी मेहमान, कैसे हो तुम नौजवान, कितने हंसी मेहमान, कैसे करूं मैं बयान, मिलती नहीं है जुबान, कैसे करूं मैं बयान, मिलती नहीं है जुबान, आइए मेहरबान, बैठिए जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान, आइए मेहरबान। देखा मचल के जिधर, बिजली गिरा दी उधर, देखा मचल के जिधर, बिजली गिरा दी उधर, किसका जलाशिया, बिजली को ही क्या खबर, किसका जलाशिया, बिजली को ये क्या खबर, आइए मेहरबान, बैठिए जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान, आइए मेहरबान, बैठिए जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान, आइए मेहरबान। Thank you. I hope the levels are fine and everything is going fine. Yes?
Nihira, people are absolutely loving it. I'm getting this, those people who are watching it more technically, or people who are singers themselves, they have thanked you for your pitch and voice. There's little hissing in the mic, so if you want to reduce a little bit of gain and get the track volume up, but otherwise,
I'll do that.
Absolutely brilliant. And I'm going to run away so you can get the next song. But
yes,
more than 170 people are watching. Lots of hearts, love, and everything coming your way.
Super.
We'll deal with that later. All right. Thank you.
Yes. So after this black and white era, I would like to switch to a slightly not recent times, but Pancham Da, one of my favorite composers. I have always looked up to him as a composer and as an artist because of his passion for Latin music that even I share. I absolutely love and adore Latin music. And this particular album, Ijazat, is extremely important for me as far as my growth as a musician is concerned, because all the songs, they are poetically, musically, vocally, they are so brilliant and they are so ahead. At that time, they were so ahead of its time. And I don't know, a lot of unusual emotions that were touched upon in this entire album, poetically also. Gulzar Saab's fabulous poetry combined with Pancham Das compositions, and all the songs were sung by Asha ji. And the arrangements were so ahead of its time, and they were so radical in nature. So this next one, we all love this song, Mera Kuch Saman Tumhare Paas Pada Hai. And I would like to sing that one for all of you. Just excuse me, because just in case there are any glitches, just like the last one, the track started playing ahead, and so I had to go back. So when we sing on tracks, such things happen. So yeah, here we go. One second, I need to restart. Yeah. मेरा कुछ सामान तुम्हारे पास पड़ा है, मेरा कुछ सामान तुम्हारे पास पड़ा है। ओ सावन के कुछ भीगे भीगे दिन रखे हैं, और मेरे एक खत में लिपटी रात पड़ी है। वो रात बुझा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो। वो रात बुझा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो। मेरा कुछ सामान तुम्हारे पास पड़ा है। वो सावन के कुछ भीगे भीगे दिन रखे हैं, और मेरे एक खत में लिपटी रात पड़ी है। वो रात बुझा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो। वो पतझड़ है कुछ, है ना? पतझड़ में कुछ पत्तों की गिरने की आहटें, कानों में एक बार बहन के लौट आई थी। पतझड़ की वो शाख अभी तक कांप रही है। वो शाख गिरा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो। वो शाख गिरा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो। अकेली छतरी में जब आधे आधे भीग रहे थे, एक अकेली छतरी में जब आधे आधे भीग रहे थे। आधे सूखे आधे गीले सुखाता मैं ले शायद बिस्तर के पास पड़ा हो, वो भिजवा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो। एक सौ सोलह चांद की रातें, तुम्हारे कांधे कातिल। 116 चांद की रातें, एक तुम्हारे कांधे कातिल। गीली मेहंदी की खुशबू, झूठ मूठ के शिकवे कुछ, झूठ मूठ के वादे भी सब याद करा दो, सब भिजवा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो। सब भिजवा दो, मेरा वो सामान लौटा दो। एक इजाजत दे दो बस, जब इसको दफनाऊंगी, मैं भी वही सो जाऊंगी, मैं भी वही सो जाऊंगी।
Nihira, wow.
Thank
Now,
you. I
normally
think
after
that,
such kind, this was amazing.
yeah.
And after such kind of song, people like me who are anchors and who talk, cannot sing, should not at all come on screen. But I have a job to do, and I must tell you that more than 170 people are watching your show, and there are lots of sharing and streaming going on.
Wow.
And this song, of course, has touched a chord. But there are some people have also said that they're enjoying the quality of music and the tracks. Maybe we could increase the track volume a little bit.
Yes.
And microphone still has a hiss. But apart from that,
Okay.
this is all brilliant. Heaven. I hope I don't forget my anchoring tips during this. Now, talking of this Ijazat, of course, we all love this film, which was a mainstream film, but it was different, almost like an independent film. Yeah.
Yes.
Now, this connects me to your independent music because you're very well known in the independent music world. You have produced music. You are currently connected to a lot of European musicians, and you create independent music. And of course, then we have my favorite track, Nirmohiya, which also was
Your
nominated.
favorite?
Yeah, it is my favorite. I've been humming it for last 4 days, and ever since I heard it for the
Superb.
first time. So can you talk a little bit about your independent music? And it's also Sajda's tribute to independent music producers such as yourself. You're keeping the fine quality music on. So a little bit about that. And if you don't mind, my farmaish about Nirmohiya.
Yes, it will be a pleasure for me to perform that song. And to talking about independent music, well, every artist I believe is a creator in some or the other way. Some play instruments, some sing, some can create good sargams, some can improvise in terms of poetry. So every artist has some form of creativity as an artist. And I really thought of why not try my hand at composing my own melodies, because I've been studying melodies as a student for a long time, and I just thought, okay, let me give it a try. At the most, what I'll compose a bad melody, and I might not just think of releasing it or whatever. And that's how I slowly got into composing and releasing my own melodies. And this was one song, Nirmohiya, that I composed, and Rhythm Shaw, he arranged the entire song completely on acoustic guitars. Manoj Yadav wrote the lyrics for me, and it turned out to be very special for all of us because we all put our entire dedication and heart and soul while we made this song, and it actually went on to earn a lot of appreciation, which was very satisfying for me as an artist. And it was also nominated in the Independent Music Awards, United States, this year in the Adult Contemporary category. It was shortlisted out of probably 400 entries from all over the world. It was in the top 5, and so it remains very special for me, and it will be a pleasure for me to perform it for the viewers and our audiences. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm starting the track now. आया ना मेरी चांद फिर पलट के, रोई मैं बड़ी रात से लिपट के, आया ना मेरी चांद फिर पलट के, रोई मैं बड़ी रात से लिपट के, अखियों का हाय कजरा बहाए निर्मोहिया, मुँह ना दिखाए दिन गिन गिन पिया देख महारी, अब तो खत्म भई गिनती भी सारी, दिन गिन गिन पिया देख महारी, अब तो खत्म भई गिनती भी सारी, आजा सजन आजा सजन, बात यही मेरी रख दे, आया ना बैरी, रोई मैं बड़ी, अखियों का हाय कजरा बहाए निर्मोहिया, मुँह ना दिखाए रे। एक ही रट मैं लगाऊंगी, जब तक तू ना मानेगा, दिल की पलक तू खोल के देख रे, साची प्रीत पहचानेगा रे, अखियों में हाय सपना सजे दे निर्मोहिया, मुँह बरसई दे। Thank you. Thank you so much to everyone for listening to this song, and especially after Aega Aane Wala, Aiye Meherban, Mera Kuch Saman. I mean, listening to my humble song, I really thank all of you.
Nihira, I have no words. Normally, I love to have words. But right now, I have only music in my ears. So I have no words to speak. I can only convey to you there are many, many, many people watching. I know you have to do some changeover just now for next set of songs. But yeah, but I must tell you, there are many artists watching this show
Oh, wow.
from UK. I mean, some of my friends, if I don't take their names, they will, of course, more than slap me on the wrist. But to make a safe bet, they know who they are, and they are exchanging notes on how beautiful your voice is and the guitars and the composition. Can't believe this is your own composition. To lots of love to all my friends in the UK who are artists themselves for watching it. I must also say that, well, you will know this name, Mukesh Parmar,
Oh, yes, yes.
famous music
Mukesh
director.
ji.
You
Hello,
know, he was, I
Mukesh
think,
ji.
so Mukesh ji is watching and sends you love. Who else has joined? Well, Rahul Nangre from Indian High Commission, First Secretary at Indian High Commission. He's joined today.
Namaste.
Yes, and there's something that I must add here while you are changing your tracks to section. See, guys, we are trying to do this over Facebook Live, and getting the music is always a big problem. There's a lot of efforts going on behind the scene, uh, and I must here thank the entire Sajda team. I'm only speaking on their behalf for phenomenal effort to get this inaugural show started. I must thank Vivek and Manisha Kulkarni, Rohit and Trupti, Anupama, Gautam. There are so many people, and of course, Rahul Lord's entire family, that everyone has worked behind the scene to get today's inaugural show off the ground. So, our sajda to everyone. I must also say that, Nihira, of course, you would identify with this, that we have to thank our partners,
Yes.
because people, you may not know that Ira has a beautiful, lovely daughter called Ira, and her husband Abhijit. They are out somewhere today, so that Ira doesn't cause any disturbance while her mummy is providing this beautiful feast, musical feast for us. Same as Beth, my wife, she is upstairs without using any internet. So thank you to everyone who has pulled in their best efforts to get this show. Technically, we are trying our best. Occasionally, we have problems. Please bear with us. You can always refresh your stream. We are trying to get you the best of experience. Nihira, a little bit feedback on some adjustments that you can raise the track volume again.
Yes.
There was a little bit of hiss in mic, but otherwise, we are going absolutely, absolutely great. And
Now, anyway, I think the songs with tracks are over.
yes,
And now we are switching to another section where I'll be performing just on the Tanpura.
okay,
So I think that problem is already now solved for the second segment.
yeah,
Basically, these songs are going to be, see, it's really difficult to get good tracks that go very close to the original.
right.
So that's the reason the rest of the section I'll be performing mainly on the Tanpura. So it's just the voice and the Tanpura now.
Okay, so what are you starting with next? And maybe after a few songs, we can see some Facebook reactions and call outs, because
Definitely.
people are, I have my mobile handset on here, and the hearts and likes don't stop. So I need to keep it away so that I can focus on the segment. Brilliant. So what are you starting with us on Tanpura first?
Second. Let me first tune in the Tanpura and let's check the levels.
Sure,
Get
sure.
the reactions from the audience. Wait.
Guys, anyone, please let us know how you're hearing the Tanpura. We are trying to get the best experience to you.
Yes. Is the Tanpura level all right?
It's good. There's a music director on show who's saying there's no hissing on the mic, there is clipping. So a little bit, yeah. So maybe with little mic adjustment. However, I'm sure everyone here is sending us lots of love. So if there is a little bit of loss, everyone understands.
Is it
They-
fine now?
Yeah.
And the Tanpura level?
You can increase the Tanpura level a little bit.
Yeah. This one is another very, very well loved song that we all listen to, and it brings tears to everyone's eyes. And it's Rehna Biti Jaye from Amar Prem. Now, what is interesting about this song is the way Panchamda switches to a completely different scale and then comes back to the original scale. So, and it happens so smoothly, and the way Lataji has delivered it is really astounding. So, humble effort to sing that song. रहना बीती जाए शाम ना आए रहना बीती जाए शाम ना आए निंदिया ना आए निंदिया ना आए रहना बीती जाए शाम ना आए निंदिया ना आए निंदिया ना आए रहना बीती जाए शाम ना आए रहना बीती जाए शाम को भूला शाम का वादा रे शाम को भूला शाम का वादा संग दिए के जागे राधा निंदिया ना आए निंदिया ना आए रहना बीती जाए शाम ना आए रहना बीती जाए बिरहा की मारी प्रेम दीवानी बिरहा जाए, शाम ना आए, निंदिया ना आए, निंदिया ना आए, रहना बीती जाए, शाम ना आए, रहना बीती जाए. That was our tribute to Amar Prem, the wonderful creation that gave us so many lovely songs like Kuch To Log Kahenge and I don't know, अनगिनत गाने हैं ऐसे. So yes, the next one that I would like to sing for you all is I need to switch the key for that. The next one is another favorite from the film Reshma Aur Shera. It's called Tu Chanda Main Chandni, Tu Tarwar Main Shakhre. And what is interesting about this song is it has a lot of rhythm pattern changes. It starts with dadra, then the antaras go into ad lib, and then there is a portion which goes into 4/4, and then once again it comes back into dadra. And so many things that they all executed in the olden times. Since we are talking about the golden era, recordings in those times did not happen how they happen today. Today we record separately. The track is ready. We can go, we can sing a line as many times as we want if we wish to. Earlier, they used to record every song in one single go. So there used to be months and months of practice and rehearsals before the recording. And it's a I mean, I salute to all these people for having executed the kind of compositions, the kind of poetry that they executed in one single take, the way they did. We should, yeah, really appreciate that and think of us as very lucky that we are blessed with technology today. तू चंदा मैं चांदनी, चांदनी, तू चंदा मैं चांदनी, तू तरवर मैं शाख रे, तू बादल मैं बिजुरी, तू बादल मैं बिजुरी, तू बादल मैं बिजुरी, तू पंछी मैं पात रे, तू बादल मैं बिजुरी, तू पंछी मैं पात रे, तू चंदा मैं चांदनी, ना सरोवर ना बावरी, ना कोई ठंडी छाँव, ना कोयल ना पपीहरा, ऐसा मेरा गाँव रे, कहाँ बुझे तन की तपन, कहाँ बुझे तन की तपन, ओ सैया तेरे मोर, चंद्र किरण को छोड़ कर, चंद्र किरण को छोड़ कर जाए कहाँ चको, जाग अंगारे भी लगने लगे पिया, अंगारे भी लगने लगे। आज मुझे मधुमास रे, मधुमास रे, आज मुझे मधुमास रे। ओ मेरे सावन सजन, ओ मेरे सिंदूर, साजन संग सजनी बने, मौसम संग मयूर, चार पहर की चांदनी, चार पहर की चांदनी मेरे संग बिता, अपने हाथों से पिया मुँह लाल चुनर ओढ़ा, केसरिया धरती लगे, केसरिया धरती लगे, अंबर लालम लाल रे, अंग लगाकर सायबा, अंग लगाकर सायबा, कर दे मुझे निहाल रे, निहाल रे, कर दे मुझे निहाल रे। तू चंदा में चांदनी, तू तरवर में शाख रे, तू बादल मैं बिजुरी, तू बादल मैं बिजुरी, तू पंछी मैं बात रे, तू बादल मैं बिजुरी। Thank you. I think Ani wants to say something. No, okay, okay, yeah.
Only the thing that I want to do is, just be a simple vehicle to get all the collective emotions of people who are listening to you. I can't read out everyone's name, but everyone is appreciating how difficult this song is to sing. This was Jaydev's composition, right?
Yeah.
It's very difficult, and people are saying that, even whether they understand music or not, doesn't matter. कानों को जो अच्छा लगे, वही सुंदर. And that's the experience you're given to people. And you're not just connecting them to music, what we are trying to do. You've also connected them to memories, which is so beautiful. So I
Yes,
just wanted to
think
convey the emotions of everyone watching. I'm going to go. Please carry on. And if you need a break, I can give you a break. But if you're ready for the next one, what's next?
Yes. Up next, recently, just 2 days back, we lost Yogesh ji, a legendary lyricist of the golden era, who has written timeless and wonderful songs and like ना जाने क्यों, जाने मन तेरे दो नयन, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, and so many songs that we all hum in a regular way. And there was something very beautiful about his writing is the simplicity of his thought was so enough that I don't think I've ever encountered a very difficult word with respect to vocabulary in his writing. I mean, not once have I referred to Google or any dictionary for, okay, iska matlab kya hai? I think the flow of his thoughts was very simple to connect with human emotions. And whenever the next song that I am
So
going
beautiful.
to sing, thank you.
So
The
it's a sajda to Yogesh. from
Yogesh
us.
ji.
Over to you.
Yes, thank you. So the next song that I'm going to perform is I have to make a confession that there are so many songs sung by male vocalists like Kishore Da, Mohammad Rafi ji, Mukesh ji, that we are tempted to sing, but as female singers we don't get to sing them anywhere. So, and this is my tribute to Yogesh ji. So Kahin Dur Jab Din Dhal Jaye, sung by Mukesh ji, and this is my humble attempt to sing this one.
Neera, really sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Occasionally your microphone has some hissing or clipping. I don't know whether it's because of movement, but otherwise the quality is excellent.
Oh,
Everyone
I
know it's
don't honestly
slightly, but this is okay. Let's go with
know
this.
what to.
Yeah, don't do anything.
I
Ignore
don't
me,
know
bin me,
slowly
bin
what's
me.
happening.
Just
Yeah.
ignore me. Carry on.
कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए, मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए, कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें भर आई, बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें, कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें भर आई, बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें, तभी मचल के प्यार से चल के छुए कोई मुझे पर नजर ना आए, नजर ना आए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए. And now this is my favorite verse. कहीं तो ये दिल कभी मिल नहीं पाते, कहीं से निकल आए जन्मों के नाते, कहीं तो ये दिल कभी मिल नहीं पाते, कहीं से निकल आए जन्मों के नाते, घनी थी उलझन बैरी अपना मन, अपना ही होके सहे दर्द पर आए, दर्द पर आए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए, मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए. Thank you. Up next, I think I would like to go on to a really beautiful song from the film Pakiza. It's my favorite mujra of all times because it has that silence. Usually, what you hear is mujra has a lot of dance and a lot of things happening in a mujra, but this one is something that calms you down. It can really soothe you. So here is Chalte Chalte from Pakiza. Just a second, I need to tune the Tanpura. चलते 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 यूं ही कोई मिल गया था, यूं ही कोई मिल गया था। सर राह चलते चलते, सर राह चलते चलते वही थमके रह गई है, वही थमके रह गई है। मेरी रात ढलते ढलते, मेरी रात ढलते ढलते यूं ही कोई मिल गया था, यूं ही कोई मिल गया था। जो कहीं गई ना मुझसे, जो कहीं गई ना मुझसे, वो ज़माना कह रहा है, वो ज़माना कह रहा है कि फसाना बन गई है, कि फसाना बन गई है। मेरी बात टलते टलते, मेरी बात टलते टलते यूं ही कोई मिल गया था। सर राह चलते चलते, सर राह चलते चलते, चलते चलते शब इंतजार आखिर, शब इंतजार आखिर कभी होगी मुक्तसर भी, कभी होगी मुक्तसर भी। ये चिराग, ये चिराग बुझ रहे हैं, ये चिराग बुझ रहे हैं। मेरे साथ जलते जलते, मेरे साथ जलते जलते ये चिराग बुझ रहे हैं, 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 ये चिराग बुझ रहे हैं। मेरे साथ जलते जलते, मेरे साथ जलते जलते यूं ही कोई मिल गया था, यूं ही कोई मिल गया था। सर राह चलते चलते Thank you. Thank you. I'm hoping the listeners are enjoying.
What's next? But in between, I just have to get you a reaction so you can have a little bit of water if you want. People have absolutely loved this. And I would be doing injustice if I read some one person's name and not somebody else's. So collectively, here is what I'm hearing, that this is such a beautiful song, and your rendition was so beautiful that without any percussion, no rhythm, people are hearing the dhols in their head while you are
Oh,
singing.
that's a
I think
lovely
that's a
compliment.
reaction I must get you as an artist.
Oh,
And
thank you so much for this lovely compliment.
thank you. And I must give a thank you to one donor who just joined to watch. I spoke about them earlier, Sri Sri Tatva UK. Thanks for your support. Thanks for joining. And only because of such donors and supporters, we could bring a festival of such high quality and artists like our Nihira to all of you over online platform. So Nihira, what next?
What next? I mean, it depends on how much time
Uh,
we have. I think we have 10 minutes
we
or
have 10 minutes of the scheduled time, and there are lots of farmaish
yeah.
is
So I
coming.
think let's ask the audiences what particularly they want to
Did
hear now.
Okay. Did you want to take any song that you wanted to finish with, and then maybe we could go to
No,
farmaish?
it's okay. We
Or
can
this is okay?
take. Yeah, we can take farmaishes now because we have very little time
Okay.
left. So
Now here is what you've done just now by saying take farmaish now. When a phenomenal artist like you says take farmaish, everybody starts shooting anchor. So I'm getting hundreds and hundreds of messages, and let me see which is standing out. Hang on. Na jaane kyun?
oh yeah, Na Jaane Kyun is another song by Yogesh ji.
Yeah.
Whom
So
we
should we take it?
yeah
Possible for you?
yeah. What
Let's take Na jaane kyun.
yeah, what
Yeah.
I'll do is for the farmaishes, I'll sing short clips of various
Sure.
songs so we can take more songs then.
Definitely. Thank you so much. Over to you.
Now this is a really tough song to sing on the tanpura, so I think I'll just switch the tanpura off here.
Do you want to go a cappella?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think I'll
Let's go
just
a cappella for this song. I mean, I could tell you loads about the people you're talking about, your texture of your voice. Someone has commented that the choice of song tells about you as a human being. Very
oh
touching comments. You can see them later. So
definitely.
let's do this a
I
cappella.
cannot see them right now, so I'll just read all of them later and
Here
thank.
is what I'm going to do just now. You can
Yeah.
read later. I'm going to take a test on people watching. Guys, if you're watching on Facebook just now, and Nihira cannot see on Facebook because she's wants to use all the bandwidth for the show. So technically, we have a good experience. At this moment, when I say now, please give a shower of hearts. So when she's watching, she can see it now. So I'm going to
Oh.
give a big heart like you do the same right now. Let there be a shower of hearts. And now, Nihira, over to you.
Over to this lovely composition. Hmm, न जाने क्यों होता है ये जिंदगी के साथ अचानक ये मन किसी के जाने के बाद करे फिर उसकी याद छोटी छोटी सी बात न जाने क्यों न जाने क्यों होता है ये जिंदगी के साथ अचानक ये मन किसी के जाने के बाद करे फिर उसकी याद छोटी छोटी सी बात न जाने क्यों जो अनजान पर ढल गए कल आज वो रंग बदल बदल मन को मचल मचल रही है छल न जाने क्यों वो अनजान पर ढल गए कल आज वो रंग बदल बदल मन को मचल मचल रही है छल न जाने क्यों वो अनजान पर सजे बिन मेरे नैनों में टूटे रे हाय रे सपनों के महल न जाने क्यों होता है ये जिंदगी के साथ अचानक ये मन किसी के जाने के बाद करे फिर उसकी या छोटी छोटी सी बात न जाने क्यों. Thank you to whoever requested this song.
Nihira, thank you. I mean, you wouldn't believe currently there's just, and guys, thank you so much for that shower of hearts. I didn't tell you before why that shower of hearts, and keep them coming, because in order for Nihira to perform at home and do this all peacefully, her lovely husband Abhijit and their beautiful daughter Ira, they have gone out for a stroll because, so that they don't want to disturb mommy. So all the hearts that you gave just now are for little Ira, who will watch this show later. So
Okay.
Nihira, show her all the shower of hearts. So keep them
Definitely,
coming.
definitely.
Yeah. And there are guys, I know, apart from Hindi, you want Nihira to sing in different languages. But the idea of Sajda, we could do, but it's also about making it accessible to everyone. Otherwise, it just becomes for one cow, So we will stick to Hindi for this. I know we love you. We would have loved to, but in limited amount of time, its idea is to get good songs to a lot of people. And we are at 6:26 now. We probably are going to be late by a few minutes, and I'm sure people will stay. There is one more farmaish that's topping the list. O Sajana.
Okay, since we are short of time, I'll just quickly sing a mukhra.
Yeah,
And
please.
we
Yeah, I
can
mean, we are
probably-
okay. I mean, we can be a little bit here and there on time. I mean, people won't mind. They're just loving it. They will stick.
Yeah.
So, O
So,
Sajana.
okay, I'll sing O Sajna one antara. Let me just figure out the key for O Sajna. You must have marked that Salil Chaudhary's compositions they have left such an impact on so many people. People request his songs so much.
Yes.
So this is another gem from him. ओ सजना बरखा बहार आई रस की पुहार लाई अखियों में प्यार लाई हो सजना बरखा बहार आई रस की पुहार लाई अखियों में प्यार लाई ओ सजना ऐसी रिमझिम में ओ सजन प्यासे प्यासे मेरे नयन तेरे ही ख्वाब में खो गए ऐसी रिमझिम में ओ सजन प्यासे प्यासे मेरे नयन तेरे ही ख्वाब में खो गए सावली सलोनी घटा जब जब छाई सावली सलोनी घटा जब जब छाई अखियों मेरे ना गई निंदिया ना आई ओ सजना बरखा बहार आई रस की पुहार लाई अखियों में प्यार लाई ओ सजना Thank you. Yes. Oh, I just caught you
Yeah.
by surprise.
I'm lost in two things now. One is your beautiful music, which I hear through in my ears. Second is all people, giving farmaishes and their request. I'm just seeing in Hindi, what is Aage bhi na jane na tu?
आगे भी जाने ना तू पीछे भी जाने yeah
Is it a new song?
it's from आगे भी
Do you want to take it?
yeah a
You know the
mukhra
words?
of that I don't know
Yes,
the whole
please.
song but I'll just do a mukhra.
Please. Yeah, I will stay on this view because then I can get more farmaishes in, and then
Yeah.
we'll close the program in about 5 minutes or so. Okay? You okay?
So in
Thank
fact this is a perfect song to end on because philosophically we all don't know we have to live in the moment because आगे भी जाने ना तू पीछे भी जाने ना तू what a great thought and
Thank you. I may not let you go off so easily. I may have one or two in the bag.
No, okay.
On behalf of everyone.
आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है, आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है। And then, अनजाने सायों का राहों में डेरा है, अनदेखी बाहों ने हम सबको घेरा है, ये पल उजाला है बाकी अंधेरा है, ये पल गवाना ना ये पल ही तेरा है, जीने वाले सोच ले यही वक्त है, कर ले पूरी आरज़ू, आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है। बस यही एक पल है।
Nihira,
So,
that was brilliant. Thank you so much.
thank you, thank you.
We have been close to more than finishing time, I know. Have a glass of water.
It's
Take your
fine
time.
here.
You are. We are getting lots of requests, guys. We're always constrained by time, and Nihira has done a lot, and we'll do some little more. In the meantime, here is a request to share this feed later. Share it on your timeline to your friends, like Sajda's page, because Sajda Festival today is an inaugural show. People are sending me WhatsApp text messages and everything. So you may appear me a little distracted because I'm getting constant messages. There's only limited time and there's only so much we can do. But like Sajda page, leave your comments. This was the inaugural show of Sajda Festival Season 2. More such events and eminent artists are coming up every Sunday until 21st of June. Next show is on next Sunday, same day, same time. I'll talk about it a little more. But before that, Nihira,
Yeah.
we have been doing a lot of film songs,
Yeah.
and you've taken us in a completely different world. Not just me, everyone who's watching. More than 160 people are glued to you in terms of music and memories. How about ending with something, let's say, not filmy, not
Oh,
from
I would
films?
absolutely love that.
Should we do that?
Absolutely.
Everyone sending farmaishes. We would love to have taken more and more, but we tried a few. You can also, I must say that you must also go and see Nihira's YouTube channel. Nihira, what's the name of it's Nihira
It's
Music?
Hira Joshi Deshpande.
Nihira Joshi Deshpande. And keep following Sajda page on Facebook, also on Twitter. And Nihira, how do we end this evening with something of your choice, but not from films?
Okay. I have always been a huge, let's say, lover of this genre called devotional music.
Wow.
For some reason, I love it totally. I love singing bhajans. I love singing abhangs. Given that I'm a Maharashtrian, and I absolutely love Meera bhajans, Surdas, and a couple of them that I have learned in the form of education since childhood. And the album Chala Bhai Des is very close to my heart. As we all know, Pandit Hridaynath Mangeshkar has composed Meera bhajans, and they were sung by Lataji. So
You have actually saved me just now, because let me tell you, I was guilty of something. There are lots of people requesting Marathi song, but Sajda's first episode is in Hindi, so it's accessible universally to everyone from different places, different countries, different singing. But you've chosen something from the Mangeshkar family and a bhajan.
okay.
What more?
So,
Let's go.
So this one particular bhajan I really love a lot, and Mai Mai Kaise Jeevu Re, Hari Bin Kaise Jeevu Re. It's one of my personal favorites. So here it goes. Mai Mai, oh Mai Mai, oh Mai Mai, Mai Mai, कैसे जीऊं रे, कैसे जीऊं रे, माई माई, ओ माई माई, माई माई, कैसे जीऊं रे, हरि बिन कैसे, हरि बिन कैसे, हरि बिन कैसे, कैसे जीऊं माई माई, ओ माई माई, माई माई, कैसे जीऊं रे, पिया बिन पीली भई रे, पिया बिन पीली भई रे, जो काठ घुन खाए रे, औषध भूलन संचरई रे, औषध भूलन संचरई रे, बाला बैद पिर जाई, माई माई, ओ माई माई, माई माई, कैसे जीऊं रे, हरि बिन कैसे, हरि बिन कैसे, हरि बिन कैसे, कैसे जीऊं माई माई, ओ माई माई, माई माई, कैसे जीऊं रे, माई माई, ओ माई माई. Thank you. I would like to thank the Sajda Festival, Rahul ji, you, Ani, and the chief guest of honor, Mr. Sood, for
Mr.
being-
Puri.
Mr. Sorry,
Don't worry.
Mr. Puri, and all the other listeners who joined, Mukesh ji, and everyone. I'll have a look later.
Yeah, of course you
And thank you so much for having me here. It was
Neera,
a
stay.
huge pleasure.
Don't go.
Yeah. Oh,
Lots of people are still sending a lot of love. And just now, this is what happened. I was telling everyone about this was inaugural show, and next Sunday we have a very eminent sitarist who's
Wow.
going to be with us on Sajda Festival, Mr. Chandrasekhar Fandse, and he joined. He was also watching and sends you compliments. So, friends, very quickly, thanks for enjoying the show. All the love and keep doing that. And Rahul Lord also, while I was talking, sent me a message saying that please thank Nihira on my behalf. So thank you, Nihira, from the entire team. But I'm not going to just let you off so quickly. I want people to know about next event also. Next Sunday is the second installment of Sajda Season 2. Chandrasekhar Fanse, eminent sitarist, will be on Sajda Festival. Same place, same time, Facebook Live. The host for that day is going to be my friend and artist herself, Dr. Anupama Shrotri. So 7th of June, next Sunday, same time, same place, same love, same music. Let's invoke some memories and let's enjoy music together. Keep liking Sajda page, talk to people, tell them about it, send messages, share this feed so more and more people can enjoy music. So, next Sajda event, next Sunday, 7th of June. Nihira, I don't know how to thank you. It was an absolute pleasure and honor to be a little part or little vehicle to get this show across. Technically, everything seems to have gone well. People are enjoying it. People are, guys, keep sending a shower of love because it's not just for Sajda and for program. When Nihira watches this program with little Ira, Nihira, do show her all
Yeah.
the love for little Ira and Abhijit. And thank you, everyone at home.
Yes.
It's time, Nihira, to say bye to people. Do you want to say something before we go? And I mean, I have thank you. I mean, there are no words to thank you. You have created magic today. Thank you so much.
No, I would like to, as I said, thank all the people who have joined and for joining in, for listening, for being involved, and for showering all the love. And once again, I would like to thank Rahul ji, Mr. Puri, and you, Ani, for the
Oh,
wonderful conduction and for the lovely interaction that we had. And it was a pleasure to get
it
to
was
know all of you.
absolute pleasure. And enjoy your time, take some rest, and thank you so much. Let's say bye bye to everyone watching, guys. Next Sunday, 7th of June, same place, same time. Next Sajda Festival Season 2 installment, Chandrasekhar Fanse on sitar. Stay connected, stay tuned. But for now, from me, Anika Prekar, your host for today, and magical Nihira, here is a
Yes.
bye bye. Have a wonderful week ahead. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye. Keep watching Sajda and the further concerts.
Bye bye.
Yes.
See
Bye
you
bye.
guys.